What if I told you about a company making bold strikes in the electric vehicle market while expanding its global footprint through a 1800 crore acquisition? Over the past 2 years, this stock price has risen a remarkable 80%. What's fueling this growth and what's the next for this tire manufacturing powerhouse? Stay tuned in the video as we dive in the story of this company in new innovations and strategic expansions. Hello and welcome to another edition of Noisemaker, where we cut through the noise to uncover the hidden gems in the stock market. I am Bhumika Jain, Equity Research Associate at Desvelado Advisory, and through this series of Noisemaker, we will be knowing about the companies which have significant developments that could drive their future growth. Please note, this is not any buy or sell recommendation. Please conduct your research before making any investment. Today's lineup includes Seat Limited, Roto Pumps Limited, and Sarveshwar Foods Limited. First company, Seat Limited. It is a leading player in the tire manufacturing space and it is making strategic rides with their latest acquisition. Company has recently acquired Camso's off-highway tires and tracks business from the Michelin for $25 million, adding two manufacturing facilities and enhancing its overall global footprint. Especially, this company has reported the second quarter FY25 revenue of 3,305 crores, up to 3.5% quarter on quarter with an EBITDA margin of 11%. Looking ahead, this company focuses on electric vehicles, premiumization, and innovation, which is backed by 1,000 to 1,050 crore capex plans, which is positioning it strongly in the competitive landscape. Next company is Roto Pumps Limited. Roto Pumps is renowned for its innovative pumping solutions, continuing to drive its sustainable water management globally. Its subsidiaries secured over 400 orders for solar submersible pumping systems, and the company is expanding its footprint in the markets like Australia, South Africa, and India. In the second quarter of FY25, company has reported revenues of 85 crores, which reflects a 46% growth in quarter on quarter, with EBITDA margins of 23%, which is surged by 200 basis points. This company is prioritizing its global footprint by establishing a wholly owned subsidiary in Dubai to better serve the MENA region, capitalizing on the global positive displacement pumps. Market value is at $26 billion with a projected CAGR of 3.4%. Finally, the last company, Sarveshwar Foods Limited. It is specialized in the basmati and non-basmati rice. It is enhancing its global reach. Recently, it has secured an export order worth rupees 498 million to supply approx 5,000 million tons of rice to the USA by April 2025. Coming to the financials, this company has posted a second quarter of FY25 revenue of 271 crores and a good 16% quarter on quarter growth with an EBITDA margin of 7.7%, surging by 200 basis points. It also plans for carbon neutrality and sustainability initiatives, coupled with a growing export portfolio. This company is also setting benchmarks in agri-food sector. Now let's review the performance of our previous picks. First is Bondada Engineering Limited, covered at 600 rupees, now at 624, up by 4%. Then Advait Infratech Limited, which we covered at 5,515, now at approx 1,700, up by 16%. Then is Precall Limited, covered at 519, now at 512, which is down by 1.3%. Then is Zydus Wellness Limited, which is covered at 2,053 rupees, now at 2,040 rupees, which is up by 0.7%. Ashoka Buildcon Limited, covered at 252 rupees, now at 279 rupees, up by 10%. To summarize today's highlights, Seat Limited is expanding its EV and premium tire segment with 225 million rupees acquisition and focused on premiumization and innovation with the launch of 46 new specialty off-highway SKUs. and targeting market leadership in the passenger car radial segment within the next 2 to 3 years. Rotopumps Limited is scaling globally with innovative solutions and a strong order book, over 400 orders from Australia, South Africa, and India states to support the irrigation and renewable energy initiatives. Then is Sarveshwar Food Limited. It is boosting exports with the receipt of an export order worth rupees 498 million to supply approx 5,000 million tons of basmati rice by April 2025. It is also making sustainability efforts with major international orders such as NAFED. That's the wrap up for today's Noisemaker. In case you missed on any details, you can download the Noisemaker PDF from the description below. Thank you for watching the video.